Good day everyone, my name is Tobilid of BSECE 3A, and today I'm going to show you how I have managed to set up and configure my own Arduino board in my Windows 10 laptop. So first, let's go to Google and just type arduino.cc and press enter. Now that you are in the home page, please click software. And you'll see that the latest version of the Arduino integrated development environment is this. And this will be the software that we will use to program our Arduino Uno R3. So moving on, please go to download options and you'll see the different versions for each operating systems available. So press Windows 7 and newer because the laptop that I have is Windows 10. Now you can either contribute and download or just download. So for this case, let's just download. And let us wait until it finishes downloading. Alright, so it has finished downloading. So let's open the executable file. And a license agreement windows will pop up. So scroll down and click I agree. So make sure that you have checked all 5 of these before proceeding. And next. And this will be our destination folder for the Arduino. So just install and wait for it to finish. Alright, so it has finished the installation. So just click close. So usually when you finished installing, there will be a window popping up, same like this one. It will ask for the USB driver installation. So the moment you see this window, just click install. Because my computer already recognizes Arduino, so it doesn't ask for the USB driver installation anymore because I've already had this software back in 2020. Okay, now let's run the software. We can either double click this or just go to the search bar. Okay, wait, let's go to the search bar, type Arduino, And let's open the software. So we are now here in our Arduino IDE. What we're gonna do now is first connect the port into your board. And then connect the other end of your type B USB cable into the USB port of your laptop. So you would know if it is connected because it will produce this sound. Okay. And then let's recheck if our software is synced to our microcontroller by going to the tools. So you see that it has already recognized that we are in an Arduino Uno. And our port, please choose the one that says Arduino Uno because I have 5 ports available in here. Now, as instructed, we will try a blinking program. So go to the file, see examples, go to basics, and please press the blink program. So you see that this is the code for the blinking program. Let's disregard this code right here. Delete. Okay. Okay, so this is now the blinking program. As instructed, we are going to set the delay to 250 milliseconds in on and 100 milliseconds in off. Now we have our pin mode here, set as output due to the LED serving as our output to have the LED on at 250 milliseconds and off at 100 milliseconds. So we have set it to 250 and 100. Now let's press compile by clicking the button here. Upload, I mean. Wait for the compilation. Okay, it's done uploading. So you see, as soon as the upload was successful, the LED started performing its algorithm. So you see that it is blinking. So that's all for today. Thank you.